Hey guys, we have been hearing about the OnePlus 12 since early this year. The next generation flagship smartphone from the brand is expected go to official either the end of the year or in early 2024. Over the past few months, we have learned almost everything about the upcoming device, and today another leak coming. According to the leak, the OnePlus 12 will be equipped with a USB 3.2 port. Apart from that, the phone also supports 50-watt wireless charging. So if you compare to OnePlus 11 to OnePlus 12, OnePlus 12 coming with lot of changes. Yeah, the last video we are also talk about the phone display brightness. The phone come with 6.82-inch 2K resolution LTPO 120Hz AMOLED display, and the phone come with 3000 nits peak brightness with the most brighter display. And last video we are also talk about the details camera of the OnePlus 12. The 50 megapixel main sensor who is Sony IMX966 sensor, and 48 megapixel ultra wide who is Sony IMX581, and the 64 megapixel periscope telephoto zoom lens who is OB64B with 3x optical zoom and is support 120x zoom. And the battery size is also slightly bigger. It comes with the 5400 mAh battery and it support 100-watt fast charging. So that's all about the OnePlus 12 latest leaks and information. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.